Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the train service in Jamaica and give you an update on what the government is doing to try to get the train service up and running again. Now, Jamaica had a very advanced train network back in the day. It connected from Portland to Montego Bay to Negril back to Kingston. And if you look at the way the population is set up in Jamaica now, for Jamaica to reach its full potential, it's going to need an efficient train service. Now, Jamaica has a population of 3 million, the majority of which live in the Kingston and St. Andrew area, or the Kingston metropolitan area. You include or you include St. Catherine, Spanish Town, and Portmore. You find over half the population of Jamaica within Kingston. And when we say Kingston, we mean Kingston and St. Andrew, Portmore, and Spanish Town. Over half the population. But areas like Negril are expanding. Montego Bay, Trelawney, St. Anne. Mega developments going up in those areas. So you need a way to move people from the most populated areas to these new areas that are emerging. And the only way to move a large quantity of people or a large number of people is via the train. So imagine you live in Kingston, you get on a train, and you can reach Montego Bay or the North Coast in an hour or hour and a half. Go to your job and get back on the train and go home. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on key developments to get the train service up and running again. And guys, what do you think? Do you think Jamaica should have an efficient train service? Jamaica is actively working to revitalize and expand its railway service to enhance transportation options for both passengers and freight. The Jamaica Railway Corporation has outlined several initiatives aimed at reintroducing and broadening rail connectivity across the island. 1. Spanish Town to Kingston service. The JRC plans to initiate passenger and freight train service between Spanish Town and Kingston. This project is currently in the preparatory stages, with efforts focused on infrastructure development and service logistics. 2. Old Harbour and Linstead to Angels commuter service. Discussions are underway with a private company to expand commuter rail services connecting Old Harbour and Linstead to Angels in St. Catherine. The goal is to facilitate the daily transportation of over 5,000 workers to support upcoming business process outsourcing investments in the Angels area. 3. Tourist train service. The JRC is preparing to launch the first phase of a tourist train service between Montpelier in St. James and the Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth. The initiative aims to boost tourism by offering scenic rail journeys through Jamaica's countryside. 4. Student passenger rail service. Since January 2022, a pilot program has been in place providing secure and economical transportation for students traveling from Old Harbour and Linstead to Spanish Town. The service has seen significant usage with approximately 500 students utilizing it daily. The Ministry of Transport is assessing the project to establish a sustainable long-term program. These initiatives reflect Jamaica's commitment to revitalizing its railway infrastructure to improve public transportation, support economic development, and enhance tourism offerings. So that's the end of the update article. So, guys, let us know what you think about these initiatives that the Jamaica Railway Corporation and the government are putting in place to get the train service up and running again. One thing I can say though is for it to be effective and efficient, they're going to need new rail cars. The rail cars that they have now look like they were here from back in the 1800s. We actually have videos up of walking through the rail cars, but they're too old for a modern train service. So these initiatives that they are using or that they are proposing are very good, but they also need to bring in more modern rail cars. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.